Namaskaram to all the beautiful ladies in the house. Welcome to Kanchipuram Varmalakshmi Silks. ఇవాళ నేను మన కుక్కట్పల్లి షోరూంలో ఉన్నానండి అండ్ ఐ బాట్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ బడ్జెట్ పట్టు. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ మై శారీ. బ్యూటిఫుల్ గార్జియస్ గ్రీన్ అండి. చాలా అందమైన కలర్. ద ఓవరాల్ బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద శారీ వీ హ్యావ్ లవ్లీ స్మాల్ డాట్ బుటీస్. ఇన్ గోల్డెన్ జరీ. వెరీ ఎలిగెంట్ గా ఉంది కదా. Along with the lovely border. Contrast border, we have checks pattern in the border with golden zari. Along with the pretty pallu. Contrast pallu. Along with the contrast blouse. Chala elegant combination, pink color and green color combination. To shop this lovely saree, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 890000 to our team will assist you. Let's start with another lovely saree. Very elegant color, pink color. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely flower booties all over the body in golden zari. Along with the lovely border, the border is all over like 10 centimeters. Very elegant border with floral jaw pattern. In a contrast border. Along with the contrast pallu, highlighted with temple and zigzag lines. With diamond shape pattern. With a lovely blouse. Let's see the present details of this beautiful saree. Code of the saree MN403 and the price of the saree 11,699. Let's move on to the lovely saree from today's collection. Beautiful blue color. Let's have a closer look of the body. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely horizontal silver zari lines. Kanchipattu. Along with the contrast border, lovely border in ocean green color. Highlighted with flower booties. Contrast pallu. Very lovely pallu. Along with very beautiful blouse. Let's see the present details now. Code of the saree MD589 and the price of the saree 10,439. Let's move on to the lovely saree from today's budget pattu collection. Very elegant color. Orange color. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely horizontal square shaped dot booties. Golden zari. Lovely border. Contrast border, self border. The pallu. Very elegant pallu. Running pallu. Along with the contrast blouse. Let's see the price of details now. Code of the saree MN418 and the price of the saree 10,799. Let's move on to the lovely saree from today's collection. Beautiful black color saree. Let's have a closer look of the body. This beautiful lovely Kanchipattu saree has square shape pattern all over the body. Highlighted with copper zari. Very elegant, very beautiful. Let's have the closer look of border. Beautiful border. Self-designed 10-inch border. Highlighted with floral jars along with the lovely pallu. Very elegant pallu. It's very beautiful blouse. Let's see the present details now. Code of the saree MN412 and the price of the saree 14,399. Let's move on to another beautiful, elegant sari from today's Kanchipattu collection, Budget Pattu. Wow, so lightweight, so elegant, easy to handle. It does look like a royal, but it's very lovely, even it's very royalish look. Let's have a closer look of the body. The overall body of the sari, we have vertical golden zari lines along with the leaf booties, golden booties, very elegant color, contrast color border, very lovely color border, self design, with contrast pallu. Pallu is highlighted with diamond shape pattern with flower booties in between that, with lovely tassels along with the contrast blouse. Let's check the price and details of this very lovely sari. Code of the sari MN402 and the price of the sari 9449. Let's move on to another lovely ethnic color from today's pattu. Wow. చాలా అందమైన కలర్ అండి. మస్టర్డ్ ఎల్లో. చాలా pretty color. The overall body of the sari, we have lovely floral booties. This beautiful Kanchipattu sari is very lightweight, very elegant and good for haldies. Let's see the border. This beautiful sari has a very lovely border, self-designed border in jewel pattern, along with the lovely pallu, running pallu. It's very pretty blouse. Let's check the price and details now. Code of the sari MN414 and the price of the sari 9899. Let's move on to another lovely ethnic color. Gorgeous green, dark color we have in the house for the beautiful ladies. Gorgeous green, lovely color. Let's have a closer look of the body. The overall body of the sari, we have lovely golden zari flower booties along with the lovely border. This border is highlighted with beautiful temple in red color. Very lovely pallu with Rudraksh motifs along with the beautiful diamond shape pattern highlighted with flower booties. With contrast blouse. To shop this very lovely sari, take a screenshot along with the item code MN407 and price of the sari 8369 and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Before moving on to another lovely sari, I would love to share that we have beautiful fine silver jewelry, Rasmai collection. Very elegant, very beautiful, very finely designed silver jewelry. To shop this beautiful fine silver jewelry, Rasmai jewelry, we have two stores located in Hyderabad, in Banjara Hills and Jubilee Hills. Please go and shop there now. Let's watch another lovely sari. Beautiful Kanchipattu, lemon yellow color, lovely color. The overall body of the sari, we have beautiful golden zari lines along with the dot booties with contrast border, blue color border, very lovely color, very pretty combination along with this beautiful pallu highlighted with lovely dot booties to the lines in the golden zari along with this lovely blouse. To show this beautiful sari, let's see the code items. Code of the sari MN411 and the price of the sari 8999. Let's move on to another pretty sari from today's collection. Wow, lovely color, parrot green color. As you can see, the overall body, we have lovely flower motifs in a square shape pattern, alternative square shape pattern. Very elegant, right? Let's have the closer look of the border. Lovely border in dual color, yellow and blue color. Very elegant. I loved it. Let's have the closer look of pallu. Beautiful pallu, contrast pallu with floral job pattern along with the tassels with lovely blouse. Let's see the price and details. Code of the sari MN405 and the price of the sari 8369. Before moving on to another lovely sari, I would love to share that we have COD available only in Hyderabad and global shipment as well. No matter which part of the world you live, we deliver this beautiful, elegant saris to your doorsteps in no time. So let's move on to another lovely sari from today's collection. Very beautiful color, royal blue color. Let's have a closer look of the body. The overall body, we have very pretty leaf motifs in golden zari. Along with this lovely color, we have contrast border in floral jal pattern. Lovely Kanchi Pattu sari has a very elegant pallu in diamond shape pattern, golden zari. Along with very beautiful blouse, contrast blouse, dual shade blouse. Let's check the price and details of this lovely sari to shop. Code of the sari MN417 and the price of the sari 7739. Let's move on to the lovely Kanchi Pattu from today's budget collection. Beautiful color, beige color. Let's have the closer look of the body. The overall body of the sari, we have lovely mango paisleys in golden zari along with the contrast border, lovely sky blue color border, very pretty pallu. Wow, very elegant pallu with mango paisleys along with the lovely tassels. Very beautiful color, blue color blouse. Let's check the price and details of this very beautiful sari. Code of the sari MN419 and the price of the sari 8369. Let's move on to the lovely sari we have in the house for my beautiful ladies. Pink color, very lovely color. Let's have a closer look of the sari. The overall body of the sari, we have beautiful leaf motifs in a jal pattern inside the leaf. Along with this lovely sari, we have beautiful border, self-designed border, Kanchi Pattu, beautiful magenta color, has a very lovely pallu in floral jar pattern along with the diamond shape pattern in golden zari. And lovely magenta color blouse. Very elegant, right? Let's check the price and details now. Code of the sari MN415 and the price of the sari 9899. Let's move on to the pretty color sari from today's budget Kanchi Pattu collection. Wow, very lightweight, easy to carry in summers, though it's very royal and elegant. The overall body of the sari, we have horizontal lines in golden zari, highlighted with leaf booties in between that. With lovely contrast border, navy blue color border, along with the lovely pallu, very elegant pallu, highlighted with diamond shape pattern, along with the beautiful tassels on the bottom of pallu with contrast blouse. Let's see the price and details now. Code of the sari MN408 and the price of the sari 8,999. We have another dark color from today's beautiful collection. Let's have a look. Very beautiful color, very lovely color, very elegant color. Let's have a closer look. The overall body of the saree is in plain color, along the lovely border highlighted with temples, curry pattern border, sea green color, very lovely color, along with this beautiful running pallu in a curry pattern, dual shade color, blouse. To shop this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the item code MN404 and the price of the saree 10,799 and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Our team will assist you. Let's move on to another pretty color. Wow, parrot green color, beautiful color, very rare color. In the overall body of the saree, we have lovely leaf booties in golden zari. Very elegant. This lovely elegant saree has a very pretty border though. Let's have a look. 10-inch border. This border is highlighted with elephants and floral jaw pattern as a curry pattern as well. The beautiful peacock booties as well we have on this with lovely pallu. The best part of the saree is the blouse, guys. Very lovely green color blouse, very contrast blouse. Let's check the price and details of this lovely saree. Code of the saree MN400 and the price of the saree 11,699. Let's move on to another lovely color we have, that is magenta color. Very lightweight, very lightweight. Let's have a closer look of the saree. The overall body of the saree, we have mango paisleys along with the floral motifs. This beautiful magenta saree has a very lovely border, contrast border, highlighted with mango pieces and floral motifs in golden zari. Very elegantly designed pallu. Very pretty, very beautiful pallu. Along with the lovely blouse. To show this lovely saree, let's see the price and details. Code of the saree MN416 and the price of the saree 9,539. Let's move on to another lovely saree, dark color saree from today's collection. Beautiful navy blue color in the house. Let's have a closer look of the body. The overall body of the saree is very plain, elegant, ethnic. This beautiful plain navy blue color saree has a very elegant border in curry pattern highlighted with lovely temples. Beautiful pallu along with the dual shape blouse. To shop this lovely saree, let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MN418 and the price of the saree 10,799. Before moving on to another lovely collection, I would love to share that we have video call facility also available. To shop this lovely saree, take a screenshot and ping it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Our team will assist you. Let's move on to another lovely collection from today's beautiful Kanchipattu budget saree. Very elegant color. Gorgeous green in the house. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely alternate silver and golden zari lines, vertical lines. Along with this lovely saree, we have beautiful border, contrast border. It's lovely contrast pallu, pink color pallu with beautiful tassels. along with the contrast blouse. Let's check the price and details of this lovely saree. Code of the saree MN399 and the price of the saree 9,899. Let's move to the lovely saree from today's collection, guys. Beautiful blue color, very elegant. Let's have a closer look of this saree. The overall body of the saree, we have checks pattern highlighted with peacock and rudraksh booties with beautiful self-designed border. Along with this lovely contrast pallu, highlighted with floral jar and pot pattern in golden zari, along with this lovely contrast blouse. Now to shop this lovely saree, let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MN401 and the price of the saree 15,749. Let's move on to another beautiful color, ocean green color to the beautiful girls in the house. Very elegant, very lovely, very suitable for the weddings. The overall body of the saree, we have lovely mango booties, diamond shaped booties in golden zari with beautiful contrast border. Lovely border. Beautiful pallu. Highlighted in mango motifs. Along with the lovely blouse, guys. Very pretty contrast blouse. To shop this very lovely saree, now let's check the price and details. Code of the saree LX322 and the price of the saree 10,799. Let's move to the beautiful color, onion pink color. So the beautiful ladies in the house. Very lovely color. Onion pink. Let's have the closer look of the body. The overall body of the saree, we have golden zari checks pattern. Along with this beautiful, lovely body, we have a very elegant border in jal pattern, floral jal pattern with a lovely pallu, running pallu, along with this beautiful blouse, contrast blouse, very pretty. To shop this beautiful saree, let's check the price and details now. Code of the saree MN406 and the price of the saree 16,199. Let's move to another last and lovely saree from today's collection. Very elegant color and very dark color though. Navy blue color. Let's have the closer look. The overall body of the saree, we have beautiful golden and silver zari, horse motifs in a temple shaped pattern boxes. This beautiful and elegant saree has a very lovely border. Let me show you. Wow, very elegant border. The border is highlighted with peacocks, elephants, so many lovely creatures. Along with the contrast pallu. Very elegant pallu in diamond shape pattern. It's very beautiful blouse, contrast blouse. Let's see the price and details. Code of the saree MN420 and the price of the saree 10,349. That's it for today, guys. Would love to share that we have stores available in South India, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. So do go and shop this lovely collection sarees. For now, this is it, guys. I'll come back with another lovely collection. Till then, namaskaram.
I was looking for a Kanchivaram sari. I just came to this place. The varieties are very good and colors also. So it's very nice, the experience was good. I bought a sari, Kanchi Pattu sari for 20,000. Usually I buy sarees from Kanchipuram. I'm used to the silk, soft silk sarees, from Kanchi. I saw that even here, they have displayed the same type of material, and even the quality was very good. And they're very courteous also, the people who are working here. So I'm happy.